Good morning, Bryce, and happy Monday to all. We had a good weekend. Well, I hope you had a good weekend. Temperatures currently in the 70s all across the southeast. A couple of low pressure systems moving across, as well as some troughing, which is bringing some pretty strong moisture to portions of the Gulf Coast, and that's going to continue throughout the day as we get that daytime heating. Showers now from Texas all the way back into Florida, and we may even have some tropical trouble along the Carolina coast heading into next week. So I'll have more on that in just a second. However, currently looking at the radar, just not a lot going on here in Mississippi. There's a couple of light showers in the eastern half from Meridian up to Tupelo, just some general cloud cover here in the Delta, and there will be peaks of sunshine at times, but the best chance of any rain here is going to be a little bit later on. Most of the showers are now off of the Florida Panhandle all the way back into central Louisiana, just north of Alexandria, seeing some pretty heavy rain this morning. But again, things are calm here in the Delta. No wet roadways to deal with. It is mild. Temperatures currently 74 here in Greenville, dew points in the 70s, so it is humid, but again, it is July, so we expect that. As for Greenwood, you're looking at 74, and across the entire Arklamas, not a whole lot of variation. Temperatures generally in the 70s from Oxford all the way down to Vicksburg. Vicksburg actually the warm spot at 77, 76 over in Hot Springs, and 76 in Monticello. So again, if you're traveling out, it's going to feel about the same everywhere. You're going to have those warm, muggy conditions with a decent amount of cloud cover. And as we track out the temperatures through the next week, we're looking at 80s today, tomorrow, and Wednesday, really because we're going to have clouds and pretty decent chances of rain. But as we start to lose those chances of rain by the end of the week into the weekend, those temperatures are really going to shoot up back into the middle 90s. So heat is on the way. Tracking out the rest of your Monday, temperatures quickly into the 80s and then kind of sitting at 90 as we go into the afternoon. And notice these little pop-up storms here and there starting to develop. And again, we're not going to see any widespread rain. However, there could be some brief heavy downpours and maybe some lightning with some of these storms. Overnight, things kind of calm down. Temperatures back into the 70s, about what we've had every night for the last 2 weeks. And then by tomorrow afternoon, it's going to be another warm day with temperatures back into the 80s and 90s. And notice all these storms start to develop. So we're definitely going to have a better chance of seeing those scattered showers and thunderstorms over the next couple of days. However, if you draw a line from Starkville to Greenville, most of the activity is going to be concentrated to the south, especially over southern Mississippi. But again, we will be dealing with some of those storms as we go into the later portions of the next couple of days. So through the next 6 days, we're looking at pretty good chances of rain through Thursday, Friday through this weekend. There's some disagreement about how much rain we could see, but right now it's looking more dry than anything. So we're going to keep those rain chances low for now. And I did mention there was potential tropical trouble off the Carolina coastline, and this is all associated with the low pressure system, very disorganized just off of the Florida Panhandle, and it actually just moved on shore. It has about a 40% chance of development over the next 5 days or so, which isn't a great chance, but again, as it gets off of the Carolina coastline, you're going to get into that warm Gulf Stream and very conducive for some development. So we could have our 6th named storm of the year, which would be Faye. Not going to affect us too much other than some heavy rain along the coastline. If you're going to be heading to the beach, it doesn't like we're going to have a nice beach day, at least for the next couple of days. Now for today, we're looking at highs close to 90, partly cloudy skies, scattered showers and thunderstorms mainly after 1 p.m. into the evening hours. Those highs topping out at 90 in Grenada, 89 in Chula, 88 in McGee, and 90 in Lake Village. Tonight, we could have a spotty shower or two, but for the most part, we're going to remain partly cloudy and mild. Lows of 74, 72 in Grenada, 73 in Chula, and 74 in Cleveland as well as we wake up tomorrow morning. So it'll be another mild start for our Tuesday morning, and by tomorrow afternoon, highs of 88, increase in clouds, thunderstorms likely in the afternoon and evening, keeping that trend through the middle of the week, and we'll gradually see some drying as we head into this weekend. But the heat's on the way, and it is going to be humid, Bryce.